Today's June 4th. Is another update on the Carousel construction. So they put the gates up. So they have, like, they brought on a queue line. So this is the entrance of the ride. So it's for the worker. But they put a flat screen TV for the ride operator. But they still got a lot of work to the carousel. So I see they painted. Let's see. So they still got a lot of work to do. They have to put the horses on, the panels. I see they have to sandblast the floor, but the carousel looking great right now. They put the whole gates up. It's looking great. So the exit gate, this is the exit gate. So they still have to paint. They still have to paint another side right here. They still have to finish painting that side. But the whole ride looks good for a 120 years old ride. But they still have to paint over here. There's the gates. Put a whole brand new gates on the carousel. Carousel's looking great. They did a lot of woodwork on top of the structure. Stop. Yeah, so they have paint that side. So next week I will have another update on the ride. They probably just have to put the horses on. Carousel might be open by the 4th of July. So they still have to put the panels on the carousel. So they still got a lot of work for this carousel. So this is another update on carousel construction. So I will have another update on carousel soon. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe, like. See you guys in the next adventure.